Alright, so now that we've replaced the heatsink, we're gonna add another fan that's gonna go on top of them for more cooling. Okay, so I'm gonna need I have a chip right here. You can find the ports on the other side. Put a link in the description where you can find the ports on your motherboard. There's also some ports on the top that you can solder that have 12 volts on them. But yeah, I'm just gonna solder it to this one for right now. Alright. See, I have black. Can take that off. So my black one coming from here. Going to that pin right there. Okay, so I'm going to solder my grounds to that. I'm not sure what ground is on this one, so I'm just going to guess that it is blue, because that's what the black wire is coming out on the other one. So I'm going to cut a little bit of this just to make it long enough. Cut two pieces for both the fans. Could probably just wire them together actually. Not because I don't know blue's ground yet, so you can do it that way if you know ground is. You can solder them together, then run one wire to the ports. Alright, now that I have two wires of each color, I'm going to strip it. Now I have two of each wire. I'm going to tin them, just solder. Yeah, my desk is cluttered. Alright, now we have 4 wires that are tinned. Going to go ahead wire the black one to the black one, another black one to the brown one, and green to red, and green to blue. No, green to brown. Yeah. Okay. Probably tin these tips of these two first. That's good. Okay, now that we have extension wires on all of them, good, we can now solder it to the motherboard. Push this back in here. Okay. I solder my ground to this one, this wire right here. And I'm going to solder my positive to my LED panel right here. I'm going to twist these wires together. I'm going to cut open my 12-volt point over here. Probably just be easier in the end. Okay. Now we're gonna test this out. Okay. Power on. The light. And we're gonna see if the fans work right now.